Ave Law promotes the kind of faculty scholarship that secular or Catholic liberal schools shun, such as pro life, conservative, and natural law related scholarship. Since the beginning of my career at the law school, for instance, Ave Law has promoted my pro life scholarship, my publications defending the human embryo's right to life vis a vis reproductive technologies, and the child's right to be free from abortion and infanticide in international courts. Ave Law has also promoted my other publications in conservative blogs and academic online journals, such as Public Discourse, The Remnant, and secular academic blogs as well, such as the Oxford Human Rights Hub. The law school has always supported the faculty's appearances, commenting on current events in Catholic and conservative media as well, such as First Things, Catholic News Agency, and in my case, their Hispanic equivalent, EWTN in Espanol. Research and writing, in turn, have led many of our faculty members to public involvement with initiatives to defend our faith, our basic freedoms, and the truths about the human person. The law school, for instance, supports faculty involvement in high profile litigation, for example, through amicus curiae briefs, such as that authored by Professor Tony Kalenk in the Dobbs case, submitted on behalf of 101 international scholars. The law school also supported my expert witness testimony in Beatriz v. El Salvador, an international lawsuit that sought to create abortion rights in Latin America through an international tribunal and fortunately failed at it. We have had the law school support and full support in these instances, and I know that this is not something that we can take for granted in this day and age, and that colleagues in other law schools, including Catholic law schools, are not equally supported and may even be discriminated against for this work. Individually, many of us are also engaged with the church at all levels. Our own Dean Zarnetsky, for example, has supported the church's diplomatic work for many years. Professor Brian Skarnecki has also directly supported the Holy See before international organizations and has facilitated legal internships for our law students in the past. The law school itself, as an institution, engages with the global community through international conferences that some of us have organized and taken part in, and that Dean Zarnetsky has supported. Together with a growing network of like-minded international schools, Ave Law has co-organized at least 3 international conferences. The first was on John Paul II's natural law legacy. It was co-organized with 2 conservative schools in Poland, featuring 40 distinguished speakers, conservative speakers, including Adrian Vermeule from Harvard Law School, NYU professor Joseph Weiler, Cardinal Willem Ike, a Polish Supreme Court Justice, Alexander Stepkowski, and a pro-life European Court of Human Rights judge, Javier Borrego. We also held a natural law philosophy conference in Cordoba, Spain, where we built international connections with Austria's ITI University and University of Navarre in Spain, which I believe at the time were accredited with the Cardinal Newman Society as international schools. We have also built ties with the Pontifical University of Argentina. Professors Lee Strang and Professor Christopher Tollefson took part in the Cordoba conference. We will be holding another conference this fall on religion and politics in Warsaw, Poland, with Cardinal Wyszynski University, in which we will feature George Weigel and Sister Helen Alford as keynote speakers as well. So just to finalize, there's surely room for growth and improvement at Ave Law. We are far from a perfect school, or we're not perfect as individuals, but it can be properly said that despite many challenges, the Ave Law faculty have kept the law school's Catholic identity and mission alive during its first 25 years, and that with God's grace, we will continue to do so in the future. Thank you very much.